the formal hello that you deserve this morning when I walked in, did I? No, we did not make complete eye contact. We didn't. You're my favorite doodle. You're my favorite blonde dog. How's that mush fur? Oh, yeah.
Don't worry, Charlie. I got that on film.
You did not. Oh, no. Nice. Okay, well, that'll be an intro.
Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Amy.
And I'm Sarah, and we're here to help you get creative.
Today, we're going to do a little craft for some little friends of ours. We're going to do a back to school time capsule.
We're so excited about this.
Yeah.
And I think our girls are in middle school now, tweenie. They would actually like this too.
Yeah.
It might be geared a little more towards younger kids. And the cool thing is you can put whatever you want into a time capsule. So,
Do you know what I did this morning?
what did you do this morning?
I dropped off.
I really don't know what she's going to say. Oh, now I do.
I dropped off my high schooler.
Oh, I said
class.
middle school. She is high school.
Okay.
No.
So, anyway.
So high schoolers might like this too.
Absolutely. I think they'd have a,
Yeah.
you could cater some of the ideas a little more towards
Yeah.
older kids, but today
Yep.
we're gonna work with the little ones. So let's get to this. We're gonna decorate our can and then fill it with some fun stuff.
Yeah. Ready?
Let's go.
Let's go.
So first step we need to do is paint.
Yep.
I think we might even try to do it a little different. Let's see what happens.
I think we really are this time.
Maybe. I don't know. We haven't really talked about it, so.
It's toast time. Oh. Okay, that's appropriate.
Well, we're going to use the Waverly chalk. I don't think that we're not going to have to seal it or anything. This is going away. You know, they're going to fill all their stuff up at the beginning of the year, and
Right.
it's going to set off to the side. So,
We're not worried about high use. Even like over the years, if you wanted to unearth this next year and refill it for the next year, it's reusable.
good idea. Yeah. So let's
All
get
good.
started with some painting.
Can opener.
Yeah. Yours is already open. I actually
It's so easy.
need to pop mine open.
Very good.
Let's just do it. Let's just see
do
what
it.
happens.
Okay,
I'm going in.
go in. That's not what I was gonna do.
Ah,
Look at that. I'm really worried about getting a straight line here, but
you know, I'm kind of thinking about it like it's a messy paint can.
it is. That's true.
So you could go with that. You could make it a messy. Oh, you could do drips.
Oh, that's kind of fun. Love the smell of chalk paint in the morning.
Bottoms.
We are
Ooh.
two coat girls, but are you gonna do a second coat? Of course you are.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Don't be so silly.
Same. Just making sure. So these cans are available at home supply stores. We found these at Lowe's. They're nice. They're nice and lined on the inside. I suppose there are people in the world who
Create their own paint.
or take their leftover paint and don't just like chuck it in a,
Plastic
spaghetti sauce jar
or Daisy sour cream container.
or that marked and label what it is for.
Yeah.
There are people in the world who use a paint can for leftovers,
Okay.
right?
That's a great idea too.
We use them for crafts.
All right, well that coat is drying, which happens really quickly, so
It does.
It's not going to take a long time. We're going to talk about one of the things we're going to put in here.
I know.
Let's get out our ruler.
Fun ideas.
We know how fast kids grow. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this really cool paracord in the can. And then they can measure their height at the beginning of the year. And then at the end of the year, they can compare and see how much they grew.
Yeah, and you can organize this however you want to. Throw the rope in, whatever you want to do. We, since this is a gift, we made these little bags and just kind of labeled each of the things we're putting in, some of the things we're putting in, so that they kind of know what to do with it and have a little vessel to put it in. So
I mean, we'll go with 6 feet.
Let's go with 6 feet. If there's a 6 foot tall elementary
5th grader
kid,
I mean, we don't want to leave them
could be.
2, 4. That doesn't seem like a whole lot of feet.
It doesn't.
No. Here, measure me. My head is not in the picture, I bet.
Oh yeah. Amy's not 6 feet. Done.
All right, I think we're ready for more paint. Oh, the sound.
I know, I do like that.
It's very calming. Can you hear it? It's nice.
Just trying to make it perfect. Oh, that looks good.
Oh, it does.
Are you jelly?
Maybe a little.
I like yours.
I do too.
Yours looks very good. My eye's not twitching at all. No, it looks good.
Oh, it's you again.
Oh, he came back for more love.
Baby boy.
They gotta see this.
Hi. You did the sneak attack.
Everybody loves Charlie.
Oh my goodness.
He knows where to get the love.
It's like 100 degrees warmer over here now. You know, he kind of looks like Falcor, but we've said that before, haven't we?
Falcor, yeah.
Yeah.
Falcor. Okay. All right. It's amazing he doesn't leave hair.
Oh, I know. That's nice.
I probably just got pug hair on him.
That's right.
It's glitter.
Yeah.
It's glitter in our house.
Yes. Sparkly dust.
Yep.
All right, more goodies for the can. Yes.
Excited about this one because it's so foamy, floofy. Let me have some.
No.
It just feels so good.
We're going to put some of this air dry clay in here, and if you can keep your kids from, wanting to play with it,
right?
and
Like
keep it.
we are.
They can do a little handprint.
Yeah. So the idea is to kind of save, the size of their hand. So we're kind of sizing things. We're turning purple. We're totally turning purple, but a kid's gonna love that.
Yeah.
And this is glittery.
Yeah.
But there are lots of different colors of this. You can even get multi-packs. So one of our other little bags will include some clay, air dry clay, and just little instructions and kind of letting them know why they're doing it. And it'll be fun to look back on and compare to hand size in a year.
Oh, my hand is so
Your
big.
hand's too big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there we go.
So we're gonna include
Purple everywhere.
purple and glitter, but the glitter doesn't come
Oh,
off.
I know. I love glitter.
Okay.
Okay.
Just a couple of the other prompts. Again, we're gonna put papers in to kind of prompt letters to yourself, maybe a letter from your parents.
How much gas costs at the beginning of the year?
Receipts, groceries. Yeah. Hopefully that's gonna go down.
Yeah, that would be great.
This is a bag again to pop like your first day of school photo in, so you can look back at
I love
it.
this one.
Your
Great idea.
name now and your name later. So this will be cool to kind of see how handwriting changes.
Yeah.
my kid still signs her name in print.
I mean,
Print,
even for
cursive,
the
it's just
older
a
kids.
printed. Yeah.
I could sign my name here, and then a year from now, I'd probably be different.
I'll be a little closer to being a physician, but
Yeah.
not. So there you go.
All right, let's get back to the can. And I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Wash your hands. That's it, right?
You know, we said that the kids would be decorating the can, only if you let them.
That's right.
Because you might want to do this part yourself.
This is very
'cause it's a lot of
satisfying.
fun. So we've got our vinyl here, and all we're gonna do is peel off, I would say maybe peel off half of the paper on the back. That's how we like to do it, so that you can position it easily on your can. So you're really not completely committing to the entire label until you've got it. So just fold it down like this.
Ready?
And then for this stencil, we created it so that each line should fit exactly in one section of the can. Halfway.
Yeah,
If you want to mark
just-
halfway, if you want to get that technical about it, you can just fold before you
Good.
and get your center.
And then kind of look at how high or low it wants to be. Like, I think I just picked my spot.
Okay. You're committing?
I committed.
All right, can you just rub your finger across mine?
Are you committed?
Yes. Perfect. All right, that'll keep me from sliding.
Okay.
And then we're just going to take the rest of the paper
Yep.
off. It's kind of a,
It's on a curve, so it starts to.
and then when you press it on, rub your finger down the very
Yeah.
center first. Oh, my 2023 is not exactly right. You know what I'm
Mine
gonna do?
is.
Okay, so we can fix
You can
this.
snip it. Yeah. If you realize, I have a little bit of paint smear, so you know we're
Yeah.
there together. We're in this.
Yep, see? You can always fix it. It's never a mistake.
Nope.
Okay. The easiest way to pull this vinyl off is not straight up, but to pull it against your project.
Still having problems with my L. Nope.
Also, another thing that helps too is if you do it at an angle instead of trying to pull those letters off straight up.
So that was fun and easy.
Yeah, it
It
was.
was very quick. This is just something you could use over and over again if you wanted to peel these letters off. They're on there good, but you could change the years
Yeah.
for the future if you desire.
So now we just have to fill it up.
Fill it up. Yep. So
We'll
our
let Sarah fill hers up right now.
measure your height, school time. We'll add a couple of other little doohickey, fill this out, but like a pencil, some stickers.
You might want to put in some
candy.
fluff, like pom-poms. Yes, things
Yeah.
that'll be a surprise when they open it up. You can sneak some things in after they're done with all their stuff. Maybe a favorite toy, candy.
What their favorite candy is. I don't know. Put a pair of socks on there if you wanted to.
Socks. That would be really
Whatever.
exciting.
Whatever. Like your favorite socks.
Yeah, put your favorite socks in there.
Then you can't wear your favorite socks for a year,
No.
but then you'll be surprised by your favorite socks.
Right. Because it's like, my favorite socks went missing.
Right.
Mom,
Actually,
where are my favorite socks?
What's more fun is put one of your favorite socks in there. Enough about that. So when you have everything you want in here, of course, you're going to pop your lid on. And this is
The fun part.
just like a paint can.
Here we go.
So,
That should be nice for your ears.
right. So we've got our washi tape, which is fun to decorate the can with, but also we are going to seal our can with this tape as well. It's also kind of a good way to kind of leave this on the top because you will need this in the future, right?
Yep.
For opening. So, would you like to seal yours?
I will. Watch this. Oops.
Watch that.
Watch it, I say.
Perfect.
Mine is not going to come open.
Oh my.
Yeah.
You're serious.
I mean, we're not getting into this can
Okay.
until it's time. And then set it on your shelf, put it in a closet, and forget about it for a year.
That's right. Set a date on your calendar to remember. Your kids won't forget though, because this will be exciting. It'll be
Yeah.
a fun end of year for the end of school.
I think this is a really fun thing to do in the first couple of weeks of school. And then I bet they're going to forget about it by the end of the year. So it'll be a really good surprise.
Kids won't forget though. So actually, you don't need to set a calendar reminder. You need to put in your phone where you hide it.
Exactly.
Or is that just me?
No.
Because you need to be able to find it.
Yeah.
So, and here's Charlie again.
All right, Charlie wants
All
to
right.
be here for the goodbye.
All right. Thanks for crafting with us. This
Yeah.
was fun, and we hope that you try it and let us know if you do.
Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and we'll see you next week.
See you next time.